Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the problem, measure idle and load temperatures, and compare them to the GPU's safe range. Use a monitoring tool and run a short stress test. Watch thermals climb and note fan behavior. Once done, inspect case airflow quickly and ensure intake and exhaust are not blocked. Also, make sure drivers or BIOS updates didn't change power delivery. This explains sudden spikes. Take notes so you know whether cooling, airflow, or firmware adjustments are needed next. Now you tackle cooling directly. Set an aggressive fan curve and reduce power limits slightly to lower heat output while preserving performance. If temperatures remain high, power down and clean the GPU heatsink and fans. Dust restricts airflow dramatically. Replace thermal paste if it's old. This restores heat transfer to the heatsink. Meanwhile, reorganize case cables, add intake or exhaust fans, and confirm positive airflow. These steps reduce core temperature and stabilize thermals during sustained load, preventing throttling and prolonging GPU life. To finish, validate your fixes with an extended stress test and log temperatures and fan speeds over time. You want stable peaks below the manufacturer's threshold. If temps remain high despite clean paste, good airflow, and tuned power settings, make sure the card isn't defective by testing in another system or contacting support for RMA. If issues reappear, check for nearby heat sources or poor case positioning. One troubleshooting tip: if fans spin erratically, reseat power cables and update GPU firmware before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.